Hi, and welcome back to The Joy of Painting. I'm your host, Isaac, and today we're going to be painting a happy little ocean scene. So we're going to start off by just getting some cadmium yellow on the brush, the littlest amount, and just going up in the sky and putting it right in. Next, we're just going to grab some yellow ochre, get it right there on the brush mixed in with the cadmium yellow, and we're going to go around that sunny spot we have right there. And we're gonna catch our sky on fire right here, so we're just gonna put it right on in, anywhere you want around the yellow ochre. And we're just gonna go up in the sky wherever you want and patch in a few clouds. We're gonna do some drawing here. We're gonna go whoosh. Maybe it goes up like that, a little. Oh yeah, just like that. And just maybe the ground comes up right here. So we're just gonna grab some Prussian blue and we're just gonna put it wherever we think the ocean would be. And we're just gonna make some waves out here. And we're gonna make some little yellow spots in this. And we're gonna make all the splishes and splashes that live out here on this wave. So let's just go wherever you want and just make little circles to make whatever you want out here. Let's grab our 2-inch brush. We're just gonna fluff up this ocean to make it come into the wave. Go right on up. Let's just add some yellow to the bottom, some yellow ochre, and some bright red. We're right down here at the bottom for the happy little reflections that happen down here. And we're gonna put in some sand, so just go over here and wherever you think it lives there now. Now, this is looking like a finished painting. So from all of us here, I'd like to say happy painting and God bless.